Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Please enjoy this next video.
Hey, my name is Marco Reyes and I live in Lansing, Illinois. I got this beautiful Blue Mist 1967 Buick Riviera that I purchased 4 years ago. I'm the third owner. As you can see, it's original paint. I've had it, when I first purchased it 4 years ago, it was oxidized and dull, but I wet sanded and buffed it a couple of times. I can't buff sand and wet sand any longer because the paint is too thin. I do have the original wheels, but these are 20-inch torque thrust tube black chrome on the vehicle that I put on with the car. Inside is the original interior. I only had the driver's seat bottom redone, but the rest is original. Original interior.
That is so sweet. That's incredible. And that's a big glove box.
Yes, big glove box, and plenty of room everywhere. And I said I did add speakers, Pioneer speakers, but they're, as you can't tell, right. But that's the original compartment is still there. Other than that, then I did add the XM radio that I attached there. I did add that. You got the horseshoe shifter, and then you got the rolling speedometer.
That is nice.
You got the rolling speedometer, and then
take a look at it from the other side.
Sure, absolutely. The lights.
Right.
And you can see it from here on this side. I'll open up the door so you can see the interior.
You have done this before.
See the door skins. You can see the door skins that are all nice, no scratches. The chrome around the entire vehicle, inside and out, is super flawless. It hasn't been re-chromed. This is the original chrome on the vehicle. Antenna works, everything goes up and down. Air conditioner works. It just had it recharged about a couple of weeks ago.
Wow. Now, do you let anyone else drive it?
No, I'm the only one that drives it. My wife doesn't even attempt to drive it. But yeah, I'm the only one that drives it, and I love to drive it. My first car was a 65 Electra 225. And I've had other Rivs, and I've had other LeSabres, Buick, so I am a Buick fan, a GM fan. And I did add these Pontiac chrome tips that I put on there, Pontiac Trans Am chrome tips. I do have a stainless exhaust on it from front to back on it as well. And this is a second generation Riv. It's not as popular as the first generation and third generation, but I personally love it because it's only 2 years that you have the look, this particular look. And like again, I said, the original paint, I'm going to try to keep it as long as I can, but you know, I do drive it, so I do get some tiny little chips here and there. Sure. But other than that, though, I try to keep it in as beautiful condition as well. You see the front grille, it's got a kind of mean look on the grille. Right. And I'll open up the hood so you can... And this is a, what you call a Star Wars air cleaner. It only came with the 67 Grand Sport and the 67 Buick Skylark. Only 1 year. So hard to come by. I was able to find this one, had it restored, put on the vehicle. It's a 67 Riv with a Grand Sport package.
And so, what size is the engine?
It's a 430 4-barrel Rochester carburetor, which has the original carburetor on there. These aren't the original valve covers. I purchased these. I do have the original valve covers as well. They're beautiful red, just like that. They're in very good condition. I did have the motor refreshed. The black, you know, repainted the black, repainted the red. Everything has been, you know, resheened. Sure. The stainless, the chrome, you know, it's been, you know, brushed and well touched. So, and these are your headlights, obviously. That Buick is, the Rivs are famous for, from 65 to 70, 65 I should say to 69.
There you go.
Where they had the hideaway headlights.
There you go.
And then I did have the under the hood. This was black, and I had it painted. I had shot the same color as the body, and I had these inserts also redone. These are all brand new.
There you go. There you go.
Other than that, this This is my 67 Riv, as you can see. Hopefully you enjoyed it as much as I do.
Now my question is car show awards.
Car show awards, yes. My first time I showed my car, I won an award. My first time I took third out of 200 cars, and the first show I ever took my Riv to. And I've had it, like I said, 4 years, and I've already had 10 awards. But this is amongst so many other cars. But what you don't see is you don't see a lot of Rivieras and car shows.
Right.
You see the Mustangs, the Chevelles,
right.
all these other cars that are common. But for a Riviera, you might have 500 cars and see only 2 Rivieras. I'm just a Riviera man, and I just prefer the Rivieras.
Now this template that you have here.
Yes, this is the original. This is original invoice for the car, $5,678. It cost more than an Eldorado back in the days, and the average price of an American car was about $2,500. So this vehicle was a very high-end, expensive vehicle. You have the original title here, and then these are just things that I did to the car when I purchased it,
Yeah.
and some specs on the vehicle as well. And this is the original, kind of like a hieroglyphics, hologram on it, I should say. I'm sorry, hologram that came with the car when it was purchased. And these are just pictures that I took on there just to add it. Put a template on there for people to see. Sometimes.
Can you hear how the cart's on?
What's that? Sure, absolutely.
That is smooth. That is smooth.
It's not loud.
It's like it's brand new.
But it's a subtle. No
like-
leaks in the exhaust at all. Everything's nice and tight.
It's like it's a brand new car.
Yes,
There you go.
super mint condition.
Good.
Okay, so thanks for looking at my 67 Riv. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. All right, thank you very much. Bye.
Please subscribe, like us, give us a thumbs up, share our videos. Thanks.